Let's be honest, you've probably been sold a lie. The lie that you need money to make money. It's a convenient myth that keeps you on the sidelines while other people build their wealth. It's the story they tell you so you don't even try. Well, today we're tearing that myth down. I'm going to show you 7 real, legitimate passive income streams you can start with $0, not a penny. If you've ever felt stuck, like you're in a financial holding pattern because you don't have a few grand to throw at stocks or a down payment for a house, this video is for you. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They are proven business models that swap your time and your creativity, things you already have, for actual passive income that can grow for years. The only investment? The one you make in yourself starting right now. The I don't have any money excuse is officially off the table. Let's get to it. First up, let's build a passive income stream with absolutely no cash using print on demand or POD. This is one of the cleanest and most accessible models out there. And it's a fantastic way to turn your ideas into a real cash-flowing business. So what is it? Put simply, you create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, posters, or phone cases. But you never, ever, have to touch the inventory yourself. You team up with a company that handles all the printing, packing, and shipping directly to your customer, but here's the key. They only do it after someone has already bought it. And here's the magic, the $0 angle, that makes this so powerful. Platforms like Printify or Prodigy are 100% free to join. No setup fees, no monthly subscriptions. You just create an account, upload your designs, and link it to a free marketplace like Etsy. You only pay for the product after a customer has paid you the full retail price. That means your profit is baked in from day one, and your startup cost is literally zero. The risk is just gone. Your first actionable step is to head over to a free design tool like Canva. You don't need to be a graphic design genius. Seriously, some of the best-selling designs are just clever text-based phrases or simple inside jokes for a niche community. Think about something you love. Are you a dog lover, a nurse, a bookworm? Let's say you're into gardening. Your first design could be a simple, clean t-shirt that says Plant Mom or Powered by Compost. Here's your step-by-step plan. Go to canva.com and grab a free account. Search for t-shirt design templates and pick a free one you like. Tweak the text and colors to fit your idea. Download it as a high-quality PNG file with a transparent background. Head to printify.com and sign up for a free account. In their catalog, pick a basic t-shirt. Use their free mock-up tool to upload your design and see how it looks. Connect Printify to a free Etsy shop. You can usually find a promotion for 40 free listings to get you started. When you publish from Printify, it automatically creates the listing in your Etsy store. Now about that sweat equity. The work is all up front. It's the research to find a good niche, the creativity to make designs people actually want, and the time it takes to upload them. But here's the beautiful part. Once a design is live, it's an asset. That one design can sell hundreds or thousands of times on dozens of different products for years, without you ever touching it again. That is the definition of passive income. Create it once, and it can pay you over and over. The third stream is a personal favorite because the profit margins are insane. Creating and selling your own digital products. A digital product is something you create once and can sell an infinite number of times. Think ebooks, digital planners, workout guides, Notion templates, or even simple budget spreadsheets. This is a perfect $0 startup, because all the tools you need are now free. You're not paying for manufacturing or shipping. Your product is just a file, and you can deliver it automatically. The $0 angle comes from mixing free creation tools with free marketplaces. You can write an ebook in Google Docs, you can design a planner in Canva, then you can sell it on a platform like Gumroad or Payhip. These platforms are free to set up and just take a small cut after you get paid. Gumroad takes a flat 10% of each sale. No monthly fees, no listing fees. You have zero financial risk. Let's get actionable. First, identify a problem you can solve for a specific group of people. Good digital products save people time or help them reach a goal. Here's your plan to create your first digital product, a simple budget tracker. The idea. So many people struggle with money. A simple, well-designed budget tracker is a perfect first product. The creation, open Google Sheets or Canva. Both are free. Create a simple one-page template with categories for income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, and savings. Add a few simple formulas to do the math automatically. Make it look clean and easy to use. Export it as a PDF. The mock-up. To make your product look pro, you need a mock-up. In Canva, find a desktop or tablet mock-up template and drop a screenshot of your tracker onto the screen. This makes your digital file feel like a real high-value product. The storefront. Go to gumroad.com and set up a free account in about 10 minutes. List your product, upload your PDF and your mock-up image. Write a great description that focuses on the benefit. Finally, take control of your finances. Stop guessing where your money goes and start hitting your savings goals. Price it to sell, maybe $5 to start. The sweat equity is in understanding your audience and creating something genuinely useful. But once that product is listed, Gumroad handles payments and delivery forever. Every sale you make, whether you're awake or asleep, is almost pure profit. You built the asset once and now it works for you. Our final stream is a step up from a simple digital product, creating and selling niche digital toolkits or systems. This isn't just a single template, it's a complete, pre-built system inside a free platform that your customers can copy and use instantly. The best example is with Notion templates. Notion is a super popular and flexible productivity app that's free for personal use. But setting up a perfect system from scratch is a huge headache. That's where you come in. The $0 angle is perfect. You use the free version of Notion to build an amazing all-in-one template, a life planner, a freelancer business hub, or a student success system. The creation costs you nothing but your time and brain power. Then you sell it on Gumroad or Payhip. When someone buys it, you give them a special link that lets them duplicate your entire system into their own Notion account with one click. Delivery is instant and automatic. Your first step is to become a master of one specific system in Notion. You can learn everything you need to know for free on YouTube. Choose your system. Decide on a problem to solve. A great first toolkit could be a content creator's dashboard to help YouTubers or bloggers plan content, track stats, and manage finances all in one place. Build the toolkit in Notion. Create a master page with interconnected databases for a content calendar, project tracker, and financial ledger. Make it powerful, but intuitive. The goal is to build something so valuable that someone would happily pay $30 to save themselves 20 hours of work. Create a how-to guide. Record a short 5-minute video with a free screen recorder like Loom, walking people through how to use their new template. This adds a ton of value. Package and sell it. Just like before, create a beautiful mock-up. List it on Gumroad with a clear, benefit-driven title, The Ultimate Notion Dashboard for Content Creators. Promote in niche communities. Share what you've built in places where your target audience hangs out, like Reddit's RR Notion or Facebook groups for YouTubers. Just always check the group's rules first. The sweat equity is in the build. Creating a truly great digital toolkit takes a lot of upfront effort, but this is the ultimate create once, sell forever model. These toolkits have a high perceived value, and a single well-built system can generate passive income for years. You're not just selling a template, you're selling time, organization, and peace of mind.